So while I'm testing this individual cell for its capacity, it's a clear demonstration of how the cell balancing on the leaf works so well, because it basically goes up to 100% charge, and then it just, as with this, gradually reduces the power. With the leaf, it actually fluctuates up and down. I've got another video that shows the fluctuations on leaf spy. The beauty with that is, as you can see, the blue trace on the voltage is that even as the amperage tails away to nothing, the voltage stays right up at the full 4.2 until such time as you apply a load to it. What you would find is that if this charging amperage was basically shut off, then the voltage would drop down to probably about this level straight away. It needs this tapering off current to make sure that the cells are absolutely fully charged.